Love quotes from The Alchemist. Number one is loved because one is loved. No reason is needed for loving. When we love, we always strive to become better than we are. Number three, remember that wherever your heart is, there you will find your treasure. Number four, this is what we call love. When you are loved, you can do anything in creation. When you are loved, there's no need at all to understand what's happening because everything happens within you. Number five, you will never be able to escape from your heart. So it's better to listen to what it has to say.